1955. Let's take a look at the BMW R25 and be amazed at how beautiful this motorcycle is.
Pumunta ako sa Philippine Motoheritage Weekend para makakita ng mga nagagandahang vintage motorcycles.
3, 2, 1.
Dito ko nakita ng malapitan ang BMW R25/3, manufactured way back June 1955. This bike has a great history. 57-year-old na ang bike, but it's very beautiful, lalo na up close and personal. Ang first owner is a marine engineer who lived in Australia at hobby niya ang pagre-restore ng old bikes. Hindi na raw ito tumakbo since the 70s, but it has traveled 46,235 kilometers bago nagkasakit ang owner and had to sell this beautiful bike in 1995. Binenta ulit in 2019 and somehow found its way to the Philippines, where Aldrin Anderson restored the BMW R25 to its like-new condition. Dito ko rin nakita ng malapitan ang Honda GL1000 Goldwing at BMW R50 na super linis tingnan. Ito ang ilan sa mga motor na nakikita natin sa collection ng kapuso natin na si Sir Kuya Kim Atienza. At nakakatuwa kasi may inline 6 pala na motor. The 1978 Honda CBX took me by surprise. Sana next time sound check naman. The Motoheritage Weekend was also an opportunity to test ride modern classic bikes.